So, hello again. Today I'm going to be going over a video on how to do, I'm not really sure what the term is for it, but it's basically immediate stretching. So, in the past, I've been able to do this full extension of a butterfly stretch. Um, a lot of people think that this is what gets them high kicks. Uh, Doing the splits is what gets you the high side kicks. This is what allows you to kick vertically with a front kick. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, for as long as the video is going to be recording, but about approximately 5 minutes, I'm going to be sitting here, and this is rather uncomfortable. I have not practiced in approximately 2 months, so that means that because I've been working on building muscle mass, as you can see right here, this means that the muscles are not as flexible as they used to be when I was first training them. So, of course, our body constantly replaces these muscles. So, the trick is to stretch them and to get them used to this. So what we're actually doing is we're creating micro damage right here, and then the healing process is what's going to allow it to be more flexible. A lot of martial artists believe that when they were younger, they were a lot more flexible, and this is true. The earlier you begin martial arts, the more flexible you tend to be later on in life. There also appears to be some kind of, you'll notice that people who've been doing this all their life tend to look younger than most other people. So that's kind of a plus to this. What I want to emphasize on this is you don't need to push. There's no really any reason to, because my legs are pretty much as close to the ground as they can get without me actually doing any damage. A stretch I can do to exacerbate this is to lean forward like so and hold it. But really, just sitting like this for 5 minutes, maybe throw on a show that you like, is a great way for you to redevelop the flexibility that seems to have been compromised. So already my legs are trying to restabilize themselves into a more comfortable position. They're very slowly moving. So we're just going to tighten it up, just like that. You don't have to have a proper posture. You can just relax. The thighs are doing the work. So, one thing I want you guys to try to focus on is pain is your friend in this case. Usually what I want to emphasize in this case, after saying that, is that if there's pain, that means you're damaging something. In this case, we're deliberately doing micro damage to our legs. What you really want to go for is an uncomfortable feeling. This is your body stretching itself, and it's adapting itself to situations that will require that kind of flexibility, such as with kicking or advanced strikes and that kind of ordeal. In this case, it's okay. There are many stretches that you can do that can actually cause a lot of damage to your body, but this is a fantastic stretch for developing those vertical front kicks, which you guys have seen in other videos. Now, I was asked the other day if sorry, it's saying I don't have enough battery, or not enough battery, not enough memory. So I was asked if I was still doing my YouTube channels, and I am. So this is the first video of us getting back into shape and form. I'm going to be doing a lot more kendo videos, kenjutsu, how to do techniques correctly. I really want to do a focus on not only the nature of Israel, but also I want you guys to see the techniques, how they're done as a layperson. We're also going to be doing more self-defense, and I've reached out to the martial arts community in Israel, and they've been very welcoming in allowing me to do these sessions with people. Right now, I'm just waiting on getting a better camera, and we will have a fantastic YouTube channel. For now, this is a great posture. Another way that you can exacerbate this is by sitting, lost my balance, is by sitting on your heels. This doesn't do much, but it stretches out here. Really here's where you would like it. Now, I know I'm moving around a lot. Really what you want to do is you want to stay stationary for about 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes. A guy who I knew who could do perfect splits. This guy could do a vertical front kick and just drop into a straight split. And his advice was, you're doing it for 20-30 seconds, do it for a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Keep increasing those increments until it becomes natural for your body to do this. Now, this was a person who could take 2 chairs and he could sink into it. He was very, very skilled and he was very flexible. Hell, he could even practically float in the air when he was doing his jumps.